Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit video using FlexClip. Keep watching. Now, FlexClip, guys, is a really cool and awesome application, guys. Which you see, this is actually a video editing software, and the best part about this, guys, you can get started using this for free. There's a link below this video if you wanted to check it out, or you can just basically go to flexclip.com and start using this amazing video editing software. But basically, guys, this is the exact tool that I use to edit my intro video. See this one right here? If you notice that intro video in the beginning of this video, this is the exact template that I use, guys. And if you also notice this text animation of my videos, this is the exact template that I use as well. It's really cool and powerful tool, guys. Now let me show you guys some of the tools within this application that you can see the power of this. There's like a slideshow maker. There's also like meme generator, JF maker, screen recorder, which is a really powerful tool, guys. If you wanted to like record screen video recording just like the one your screen right now, this is the exact tool that you may want to use, right? You can trim videos, you can merge videos, compress videos, convert videos, add music to video, add text to video, which is really powerful, guys, because they have this modern text animation that you can add into your video. You can also add like watermark to video, and you can also add transitions to video, right? So I'm just gonna go to my account right here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to edit videos using this application. And just like I said, you can get started using this for free. I actually purchased the pro version of this, but you can get started using this for free. So I'm just gonna create a video from scratch right here by clicking on this start from scratch button right here. And as you can see, my laptop's kind of slow right now, but this is how you do it. And you're presented with two options. You can edit videos using timeline mode, or you can edit video using story mode right here. So I really like to use like is timeline mode right here, because this is like most other video editing software uses. So I'm just gonna click on this right here, and it's gonna take you guys. And by the way, you can select the size of the video. I wasn't able to select the size of the video, but you can basically select the size of the video if you wanted to edit videos for mobiles, if you wanted to edit videos for tablets or laptops, or a desktop version. It's a really powerful tool, guys. And the best part about this is like cloud-based application. You don't need to download this on your computer. And as you can see, my laptop is kind of slow right now, right? I have to upgrade my laptop, right? But basically, this is where you edit video, right? You can import video media right here. If you have videos that you record using your mobile phone, you can import that inside of this application. But if you guys wanted to like use videos from stack library, you can also do that right here. Just basically search a specific video. Let's say you wanted to search cat videos, the dog videos, money videos. Let's say you wanted to like dogs, search on dogs right here. Basically hit on enter, and will give you this free videos that you can import into your canvas right here. As you can see, guys, is importing right now, and we'll wait for a couple of seconds for this to load, because my laptop is kind of slow right now. But this is how you would do it. You would select a video right here, and you'll be able to see how long this clip would be, right? If you wanted to add another clip, it's basically double click that one, or if you wanted to like just delete this one, you basically delete this clip right here, right? But basically you basically click on this plus icon right here. I'm sorry about that, and it will automatically import that video into that clip right here, right? So as you can see, it will automatically import that video into this clip right here. If you wanted to add in like another clip, click on this one right here, and select a video. If you wanted to add this video right here, click on this plus icon. I will automatically import that video into this clip right here, right? Right, see that one right there. And if you guys wanted to add like a text of that video, click on this add text right here, and it will show you this really awesome text animation right here. You can add like basic text, dynamic text, modern titles, text styles, social media, uh, lower thirds right here, and lower thirds text animations right here, right? Okay, so let me say let's say you wanted to add like modern titles right here. It's basically click any of these modern titles presets right here, or you can basically click on see all right here, and you'd be able to view all the list of modern, text or modern titles right here that you can use. Let's say you wanted to use this one right here. It's basically click on this. For some reason, my laptop is kind of slow right now, but basically, you basically click on this and it will, load for a couple of seconds. It will add into your canvas right here, right? You can basically drag this text if you wanted to like drag this text, and if you wanted to edit this text, just double click on it, and it will open up this text editor right here where you can customize this one. Let's say want to put your name right here. For your name, jercallora, or you can also make it all caps lock, alright, and then you can also edit this text right here. You can put in like your website, your digital.com right there, and you can also change this element right here by changing the color of that, background of that, element, just like that one. You can drag it right here, and then you can preview that one right here. This is really really cool, guys, alright. And if you guys wanted to add like, you can go back to, text, and you can add in like lower thirds social media, lower thirds, you can also do that, right? And there's also like text style right here. Let me try to add this, the social media subscribe button right here for a specific for YouTube, which is the one that I use in my video. Just basically click on that one, and it will add that on your canvas. And you can just click on that, you can drag that, and then you can resize this one. Right, it's really really cool, guys, right? And you can customize the element, you can customize the background color of this, you can customize the text, you can customize everything right here, guys, all right? And you guys wanted to add like a video, another video, add in like an element right here, which is a shape. You can add in like a shape right here, a social media icons, a GIFs, you can also do that. An overlay, you can also add in like an overlay right here, and a background. If you wanted to add in like a background, you can also do that, right? Overlay is something like this, right? You will add in like an overlay. Let's try to add this one right here. I'm sorry about my computer, it's kind of laggy, but you can also do that, right? And as you can see, it's now adding onto the screen, and this is how you add in that overlay when you guys try to preview this one. Alright, and this is how you do it. But you can customize this overlay by dragging its text, changing the text into whatever text they want, dog, and then you add in like, dog videos, right? You can customize everything, guys. And then if you wanted to add in like a background, right? You can add in like a gradient background, a video background, guys. It's really really cool, guys, right? Alright, and you can also add in like a branding if you wanted to add in your, watermark, your logo. This is where you add in that watermark or logo right here. If you wanted to use, your logo as a watermark, you can also do that, or you can just add in like a text. It's like, watermark text right here, like, put in like your name, and it will add that watermark right here. You can also drag that if you wanted to like drag that text if you wanted to drag that, and you can also like adjust the opacity right here, right? So that's pretty much it, guys, on how to edit videos using FlexClip. It's a really really cool tool, and once you're happy with all these changes, click on export right here, and it's gonna let you guys export your video, and like use the 720p and 1080p. I have this pro version of this tool or video editing software. I can just click on export right here, and it will automatically export that video. And what's really cool about this, guys, is that once this is exporting, you can just basically share that link right here. You can change this to what title that you wanted, like cute dog. If you wanted to change this into cute dog, right? Cute dog, right? And just wait for a couple of minutes for this to load and for you to be able to download this video and start uploading this video to social media places. It can be your YouTube channel, your Facebook. If you can also like create a video for TikTok, for Instagram, guys. You can pretty much do anything with FlexClip. Alright, guys, so yeah, that's pretty much out, there's a link below this video. You can just basically go to flexclip.com and you can get started using this video editing software 100% free. First of $1,000 online with affiliate marketing. I have this free training below this video showing you exactly how I'm able to generate my first $1,000 online. I'm gonna reveal to you guys my 3 simple step process on how I'm able to generate that first $1,000 online. I'm gonna send you that free video training personally. That way you can start using that method and start implementing that method and start making your first $1,000 online with affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.